Alright guys, so in today's video, I want to give you a comparison video on some lower priced bullion, and that is the objective for today. Figure out which one is best to stack. Is it going to be the Britannia or is it going to be the Kangaroo? Stay right there. Alright guys, welcome back once again. My name is Britches, and in today's video, you guessed it, it's going to be a comparison video of two lower priced bullion, sovereign bullion coins. And for you guys that stack generics and whatnot, this video is not for you. This is just for people that prefer to stack the bullion grade, okay? So I know the generics are the cheaper way to go, but for maybe $1 more per ounce, or maybe 50 cents per ounce more, you can pick up one of these two coins. And stay tuned for the end of the video, guys. I got some more information to put out. So in today's video, we got a 2020 Kangaroo and we got the 2020 Britannia. Probably the best looking coin overall, in my opinion, is the Britannia. It's just a gorgeous rendition. It's just a gorgeous design. I really do love the design of the Britannia. It is stunning, to say the least. But there's issues. There are issues with these things. So naturally, if you live in Australia or in the vicinity of Australia, you would naturally stack the Kangaroo. Same thing with the Britannia. If you live somewhere in Europe, somewhere close to the UK, naturally you would stack the Britannia. It would be your best option. Just like here in the United States, the Silver Eagle is more expensive, but as far as the tax incentives, it's a little bit better to go ahead and stack the American Silver Eagle. But we can get these coins cheaper than the Silver Eagles. Don't know why, it's just the way it is. But that's neither here nor there. Now, there are other options out there besides these two coins, but I'm going to break it down to these two side by side. Okay, now, the Kangaroo is a little bit bigger. It is 40.6 millimeters, so it's just a little bit bigger. It's not as thick as the Britannia is. So it's more of a pancake type. You see the Britannia can fit all the way in there. So the Kangaroo is pretty much the same size as the Silver Eagle. Pretty much the same thing. Where this is pretty much the same size as the Maple. So just to give you a comparison as that goes. Now, I will say this. The Kangaroo, from what I have seen, most of them are in great condition as far as the coin condition. Now, they do have a tendency to milk spot, just like the Britannia does. But as far as like the minting of the coin itself, hands down, wonderful job by the perf mint. Wonderful job. You can see the P right there where my thumb is. That's for the perf mint. And there is also a security feature right there in the A of the Kangaroo. You see it right at the top, that other A right there. That is one of the security features of the Kangaroo. Now, it's very subtle, you know, it's very hard to read that. Just looking back here, you would not know to look at that. Okay, you barely think that it was just a speck. But all these lines in here are very difficult to copy, okay? Which makes it a great option as far as security features. Great option. This side, yeah, you guys know what's up with that. Both of these coins are going to have that side. A little bit different, but they're both going to have the queen on them. Now, the Britannia, probably my favorite bullion design, but the Britannia has been getting some quality issues as far as the ones that we're getting here in the States. I don't know about over in Europe, but over here, you can see, if I get closer, the rim damage on this one. See right there at the 3 o'clock area right there? I mean, this is brand new, 2020. And there's another one right there, probably about the 8 o'clock right there by my thumb. But as far as the overall design, the design is gorgeous. Now, every coin is not going to have damage on it, but quite a bit of them that I've seen do have some type of damage. And it's not major. It's just an ounce of silver. So if you don't mind that, then that's fine. But you see right there along the rim right there too, just some damage, you know. And plus, a lot of times the edge on these will be extremely sharp for some reason. And as you can see right there at the very top, you already have toning on this. Toning on a 2020. Unfortunate. So hopefully that will shed some light as far as which ones you guys should stack. The quality from the Kangaroo is just better, in my opinion. And that's all this video is going to be about. It's just better to me. The Britannias is hit and miss as far as quality goes from what we get. I don't know about in Europe, but here it's just hit and miss. And I've had quite a few people comment and saying, hey, my 2020s are milk spotting bad. And I reply back, hey, my 2019s are milk spotted bad. So it's just hit and miss. If you don't mind milk spots, then I would buy them with the milk spots already on them. That way you can get them at a cheaper cost. You know what I mean? Because if you're going to pay BU, you don't want it to milk spot later. At least I don't. And both of these coins do have a tendency to milk spot, which is why I don't stack a bunch of them because of that issue. I have moved on to stacking the maple, to be honest with you, because the mint shield, as far as that technology goes, the process of cleaning the planchets, it seems to be working. So that's where I've been stacking most of my silver as far as an alternative to the Silver Eagle is the maple. But I do like both designs. I do own some of both of them. It's just the quality on these is just it needs to be better because it's such a beautiful coin, and it's a shame that it would get ruined or its reputation gets ruined because of poor quality control, and that's what's happening right now as far as I can see. But it's something that's easy correctable, you know what I mean? Easy correctable. But right now they do have some quality control issues, and that's unfortunate. But for as a good option, both of them are good options. But I would buy them secondhand. I would not buy them in the BU condition. You know what I mean? I would wait. I would go back and pick these up the earlier years, and you could probably get them cheaper as far as that goes. Simply because of the quality issues and the milk spots. It's just why pay that premium high bullion price for either one of them. But if you don't mind milk spots, you can always just buy them with the milk spots and get them cheaper, like I said earlier. But for those that are staying, those that have watched the entire video, guys, guess what? One of these is going to be yours. That's right. Most of the people that watch my videos, they dip out probably about that 5-minute mark, and they're going to miss out on this too. Okay, so it's pretty simple. The only thing you have to do is leave a comment, right? You like the video, right? And then I will pick a winner. I will pick the 10th person. Just leave a regular, normal comment like you would comment, hey, I like those, I stacked those, something like that, you know what I mean? But you're going to pick which one of these I'm going to send to you, okay? I'm going to send you either the Britannia right here, or I'm going to send you the Kangaroo. It's going to be your choice. So leave a regular, any old, plain Jane comment, and then at the end of that sentence, put either Kangaroo or Britannia, and that's it. And the 10th person to do that, you will be taking one of these. I will send it to you. I will comment on your comment, okay? And then I will pin it so everybody would know. And then I will send it to you. And make sure that you email me, and I will send it out to you ASAP. And that's going to do it for today, guys. Really appreciate you guys watching. Which ones do you like? Do you like the Kangaroo? Do you like the Britannia? I like both of them. I just don't stack neither one of them just because of those issues. But I know a lot of people do. A lot of people love them. That's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, I appreciate you guys for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Be careful out there, guys. And keep grinding on your stack.